Hi everyone, this is a video about this new addition to my electronic stuff that I have, and this one is Engineer SS-O2 suction pen that you are using in order to desolder your electronic boards, and take your components out of the board. And I had one of these rubbish ones. I show you. Of course it does the job. This is the one that I have been using for a long time, and it stayed good because I haven't used it so much, because I am using those wires that you just take the wire mesh for desoldering. I'm using those most of the time because this might take a lot of it out, but the residue to take away the last piece of soldering from the joint, I use those mesh wires. Anyhow, this is good, this is powerful, but is not as powerful as the other one. So and is a lot bigger, in case that you want to leave it in your package to take it places, or you want a small box for all of your stuff in there. This is too large, so I thought, okay, I get something that is made in Japan and is all aluminium, brushed aluminium and metal type, and it comes with a silicone tip. You can cut it according to the length of this and put it back on, and this is the back of it. You can pause and read the English part if you want. This one and this one and this one and the bottom parts, and then you take this one out, if I can manage, and then there are more literature here as well. This is the replacement silicone tube, and here it says heat resistant and elastic nozzle silicone, efficient absorption, made in Japan. And here it says compact body and high power absorption, and here I can't read them, sorry. And then I showed you the back, and this is the middle part. They have stages that you can do that. On the other side, what does it say? Oh, it's about servicing it. It says don't take it out from the back, only take the front out and clean it, but there are loads of people that they are doing that. And that's it. This is very handy to have, and the item itself is just beautiful in comparison to this one. Is really beautiful, engineered to the maximum, and it has a satisfying sound when you are pressing it and releasing it. Just listen to the noise. So there is good amount of suction here, and if I block this part, you see how efficient is that it comes out, but not all the way out. But this one, if you notice, I released it and it's gone all the way up. you see, all the way up. So it's not good, but it does the job. These are 2-3 pounds up to 5 or 6 pounds. It depends to the body. This is plastic, all plastic, and it has just this rod, metal rod, and a spring in there that is not plastic. So this one is really good, and there are loads of reviews out there as to how is going to function. I'm not going to demonstrate that because you know is the just a soldering pump, suction pump. It's nothing special, but my review of this is about the quality and workmanship and the way that it had designed, and you know, the look of it and the size, and so many stuff that maybe in some other videos they are missing out on this. So you never take it out from the back. That's why. But I tell you one thing that they never tell you: if you take this ring out, and you can untwist it, and then you can push this to go out from the bottom, and then to put it back from the bottom, because if you are putting it from the top, you might snag the plastic vacuum washer that is in there, so you are going to damage that washer. So it's better to not to touch this, but if you want to touch it, you just unscrew this and then push it all the way down, and then from the bottom to put it back, not from the top, because this hasn't been designed to go from the top inside. From the bottom it has to go out, and then very satisfying noise. Anyway, this is another good addition to my TS-ATP package that I can carry around, because it's a small and that I can just fit it in there happily. Is going there. And this is a silicone, is very sticky, and is the dimensions there is really good. Anyhow, this video is supposed to be a short video about this fantastic Japanese made suction soldering suction gun that I fully recommend. The price of this, I have bought this for, let me just check, I have bought this for the price of £18.90 plus shipping, but they are selling this up to £30 plus shipping. Okay, that was my comparison with the old ones and the new ones. Rubbish design or commercial design, and elegant and engineering design of this item. Anyhow, I hope you like this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.